Oh, it's a snow blizzardy day out here today. Look at there, look at there. Ooh. Ooh, boy. Look at all the snow. You can barely see up the street, down the street, across the street. The snow is deep. It's at my knees. Look at here. Let's see if you can see. Yeah. Oh boy. That's a lot of snow. And the wind is blowing hard. Woo. And I'm crazy for being out here like this. But this is a sight to see. Woo. And check this out. Look at the icicles. Wow. Can you see that? Oh, there's some big icicles. That's what I hope they don't fall down on it. Woo. They are big and thick. And I know people are looking out their windows say, look at this fool in the blizzard. But it is something. Look at the wind. Look at the snow. Oh, it's a mess. It is a mess out here. The whole state is closed down. Shut down. When have you ever known the whole state to be shut down? Not the city, but the state.